Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share some vegetarian protein snack ideas with you, and I've also written a full blog post with 15 high protein vegetarian snack ideas. They're recipes, everything you need to make lovely vegetarian snacks, and I've got a couple of my favorite foods out here today to share with you, and I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment as well, let me know your favorite high protein vegetarian friendly snack. So first off, I've got this lemon curd yogurt. I absolutely love it. It's just one of my favorite foods, and yogurt of any type is quite high in protein, so it's great to have as a snack, as well as edamame beans. I love them. I shared a recipe with a salad a little while ago, and I just love to snack on them. It's a nice little tub full here, so it's really high in protein. And ricotta, but this could be really any cheese you like. Cheese is a great source of protein if you're including cheese in your diet. Otherwise, sometimes dairy-free alternatives can also include protein, can be enriched with protein, so that's definitely an option too. And tofu, lots of different ways to enjoy tofu, so definitely include that and have it in different ways. And if you want some extra powders, I've got this pea protein powder. I found this to be the most economically friendly way to get some protein. So I've got pea protein powder and yeast flakes. If I have some veggies or make up a salad, I will sprinkle a bit of my nutritional yeast on top because it's full of B12 and protein too. And good old baked beans and cannellini beans, one or the other. I'll often just have some baked beans, boil up a bit of baked beans and have it as a snack, or maybe I'll make a salad, just some greens with some cannellini beans, which is also high in protein. And finally, some nuts. I've just got some cashews here. I love cashews, macadamias, almonds, really any nuts. Or I might even make a chia pudding. I've got chia seeds as well. Pop it in my lemon yogurt, and it's just a lovely, rich and delicious veggie-friendly, high-protein snack. But that is today's short and sweet video with all of my high protein snack ideas that are veggie friendly. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment to let me know your go-to high protein vegetarian snack. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post with 15 high protein vegetarian snack recipes. We've got cake and all kinds of things which are high in protein, so click through to get those recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.